Yo, what's up everyone? Connor13 here. This is my third video. Last video we built a mini tree course in monkey blocks, and like always I asked you for comments to see what you want me to do in Gorilla Tag, or like what games you want me to play. I did get one comment, but I can't do that because the comment was play Gorilla Tag for 5 hours. Obviously my headset won't survive that long. So in today's video I thought we would do something else in monkey blocks, and we're gonna make like a mini bouncy course. Let's get into it. Yeah, so this is what we did in the last video, guys. Now, so that's scan 1. Alright, so we have to go into a new private room so we can load up a fresh one. Just go into, and there we go, now we've got something fresh. So, we're going to be building like a mini house today, or like a mini bouncy course. So let's start off by building the outline. Alright, so how many have we got? We've got, okay, yeah, we just need 2 more. Alright, that should be good. Alright, so we're gonna get started with it now. So let's start by making that, like the outline of it. Could we make another one fit like that? What is going on? Okay, close. Yeah, but that's fine. So now we're just gonna perfect. Now that we've got our outline, I'm just gonna get rid of these because we don't need them. We're gonna start building a bounce house. Alright, so platformer, and they should be around here. Where are the bouncy stuff? What is going on? Basic. Where is it? I'm so confused now. There we are. Here it is. And we also need one of those. Actually, no, we don't. Because this is a bounce house video, we won't use a fan. Like we did in our last video to make our tree course. I can't grab it, guys. There we are. Alright, so first we'll start by doing that to get up, and then Oh, didn't mean to do that. We'll do a double, actually. So, yeah, you bounce up onto here. Then your course will start here. And let's just grab a timer. Alright, once we grab a timer, which is right about there. Here we are. So, like I said guys, in the last video we made a tree course. This video we're going to be making a bounce course. So, actually, let's just put it like that. And then, like, let me show you what I mean, guys. So we come into time mode. Oh, we probably could actually make that. That makes it kind of like useless. Hold on, guys. We're gonna double up on the leg. Just put that to the side for now. So how many do we have? One. Oh, I didn't mean to do that. Why won't it let me place it back down? Okay, I don't know what's going on. Okay, so we'll grab these. We're gonna have to replace this. Okay, that's fine. No, I did the wrong one. Where did the other one go? Where did the other one go? What? What? They're falling to the map. Why is it falling through the map, guys? Something is wrong with monkey blocks today. Hold on, I'm pretty sure everything's falling for the... Oh wait, what? Oh, I don't know what's happening. Oh my god. Alright, so... Yes. We can place... Let's put a tree there so that like we bounce onto the tree. That sounds like a good idea, guys. So I'll grab this tree. And then we need to, yeah, actually, we've already got a bouncer, so. Oh, what is going on? We bounce up to here, bounce onto here, try and bounce over to here, bounce, yeah, then jump. Yeah, so guys, let's test it out so far, and also, oh, I didn't mean to do that. Oh no. And also, let's place our timer down. So we'll put the timer right there. So, guys, let's test out what we've got so far. Oh no, I got stuck again. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go boing. Hold on, let me just test that one out again. So we go boing, and then we go timer. Oh no, I messed that up, guys. I think this is gonna be harder than our tree course. Definitely will be harder than our tree course, I think. Oh. Okay, well. This should be possible. You just have to hit it exactly right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, and then you jump onto here and you bounce onto a rock. That sound good, everyone? I hope so. Okay, this is decided to not work. Do you know what? We'll just get rid of it. Right, so now let's grab this rock and we'll grab whatever this is. So then we bounce. Oh no. This is not working. Yeah, but do you know what, that's fine. Then we bounce onto the rock, and then they have no clue what this thing is. Yeah, actually, let's just get rid of it. And so let's test it out again. We should only need to do a little bit more, guys. So just ignore that giant thing, right there. Right, so we... Oh, I forgot to turn my timer off. Right, so we start. It's very hard, this is, guys. Bang. Perfect. And then we go bang, bang, and then we need another bounce right here. So if you guys watched my last video, you would know that in our tree course that we made, the time that we did, I think, was like maybe 35 seconds once we finished it. And if you haven't watched it, make sure to go watch it, because it was a fun video to make. And soon we'll be done with this one. So we jump from the rock onto here, and then I say we put a big tree, like we did in our last one, for our tree course. Is this too big? We're gonna find out, everyone, together. Okay, the tree does not want to work. Where did my other one go? Yes, we jump onto there, and then we put a slide down, and that will be it, and we'll test it out, guys. Oh no. Come here, Mr. Slide. Perfect. Right, guys, so let's test this out, and then that'll be the end of the video, everyone. So, oh, I forgot to turn my timer off again. Right, so this is the run. Right, so never mind, I've ruined that. Just go. That's fine, because I can tree climb. I got a little bit better tree climbing after our tree course that we made in yesterday's video, everyone. Okay, kind of launched myself a bit too far there. So anyway, we jump onto here and we just do a light jump onto this rock, and we just jump onto here, and never mind. I'm trying to do the jump course, guys, but it's not working. And then we just do it don't even matter. And yay, we win, Then you go back to your timer. I did that in 1 minute and 11 seconds. So anyway, guys, that would be the end of the video. Now let's quickly go save this. I realised that yesterday I ended the recording without showing you guys that I saved it. So now we're just gonna... Okay. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. This was our bouncy course that we ended up making. And remember to leave in the comments what you want me to do in VR. Remember to like and subscribe. My fan code's Connor13. Thank you for watching the video. Goodbye.